Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome to New Discovery TV, your trusted source for the freshest, real-world updates on cutting-edge technology and innovation. Today, we're spotlighting the most exciting inventions of 2025 that you can actually get your hands on right now. Forget futuristic fantasies, this is the present, brimming with truly groundbreaking tech. Get ready to explore everything from revolutionary smart home devices to immersive next-gen entertainment and essential productivity boosters. If you're eager to upgrade your life with the latest innovations, you've landed in the perfect place. Let's dive into the future of gadgets, which area available right here, right now. Number 1. Alpaka Vertex Pouch. The Alpaka Vertex Pouch is a versatile 3.5L carry solution designed to function as a tech organizer, desk caddy, and crossbody sling. Constructed from durable, water-resistant materials like Axiflux 600 dipolyester or X-Pack RX36, it features YKK AquaGuard zippers and Hypalon-like pulls. Its structured design allows it to stand upright, making it convenient for desk use. Internally, it offers a fleece-lined tablet sleeve suitable for devices like the iPad mini, along with mesh and zippered pockets for organizing accessories. While the pouch provides ample space, some users have noted a lack of smaller organizational compartments compared to other models. The included strap enables easy conversion to a sling, though comfort may vary depending on load. Overall, the Vertex pouch is a stylish and functional option for those seeking a multi-purpose carry solution. Number 2. Aovo Lur R1. The Aovo Lur R1 is heralded as the world's first solar electric scooter, uniquely designed to charge via a separate solar panel. This eco-friendly innovation blends clean energy with urban mobility, offering a sustainable alternative for short-distance travel. The scooter's detachable solar charging system allows users to harness solar power independently, reducing reliance on traditional electricity sources. Ideal for environmentally conscious commuters, the Lur R1 provides a quiet, emission-free ride with the convenience of renewable energy. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for daily use in urban environments, with rising concerns about climate change and fossil fuel dependency. The Aovo Lur R1 marks a significant step forward in green transportation technology. Number 3. ASYNC-H7. The ASYNC-H7 is a cutting-edge all-in-one e-bike designed for riders seeking power, style, and versatility. With a sleek, futuristic frame and integrated tech features, the H7 delivers both performance and convenience. It boasts a powerful electric motor, long-range battery, and smart controls, making urban commuting and off-road adventures equally thrilling. The H7's large tires ensure a smooth ride across all terrains, while built-in lights, GPS tracking, and a digital display enhance safety and usability. Designed with a focus on minimalism and durability, the ASYNC H7 combines the freedom of a motorcycle with the ease of a bicycle. It's not just an e-bike, it's a reimagined ride for the modern era of eco-conscious, tech-savvy transportation. For Chilipad Cube Sleep. The Chilipad Cube Sleep System is a temperature-regulating mattress pad designed to enhance sleep quality by allowing users to control their bed's climate. Using water-based technology, the Cube circulates cooled or heated water through a network of tubes embedded in the pad, offering a customizable temperature range from 55 degrees Fahrenheit to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Ideal for hot sleepers or couples with different temperature preferences. It operates quietly and can be controlled via a simple remote. The system fits most mattress sizes and is easy to set up and maintain. By promoting deeper, uninterrupted sleep through precise thermal control, the Chilipad Cube helps. Users wake up feeling refreshed. It's a smart solution for optimizing sleep comfort in any season. Number 5. DS Pixel Keyboard. The DS Pixel Keyboard breaks the monotony of traditional keyboards with a bold, pixel-inspired design and customizable features. Designed for enthusiasts and creatives, it offers a retro-futuristic aesthetic paired with modern functionality. Each keycap showcases a blocky, pixel art look, giving it a distinctive visual appeal. Beyond style, the keyboard includes hot swappable switches, RGB backlighting, and programmable keys for a fully personalized typing experience. It supports both wired and wireless connections, making it versatile for work or gaming setups. Compact yet durable, the DS Pixel keyboard combines form and function in a way that redefines what a keyboard can be. It's more than a tool, it's a statement piece for those who value performance and playful design. Lighting with its sleek, modular design and advanced functionality. This innovative lighting system offers customizable brightness and color temperature, adapting seamlessly to any environment from workspaces to living rooms. Its minimalist, futuristic form factor enhances both aesthetics and performance, while intuitive touch or app-based controls make adjustments effortless. The Aovo uses energy-efficient LED technology, ensuring long-lasting illumination with minimal power consumption. Its modular design allows users to connect and configure multiple units, creating personalized lighting setups that suit individual needs. Ideal for tech-savvy users and design enthusiasts, the Aovo merges cutting-edge innovation with modern elegance, setting a new standard in home and office lighting. It's not just lighting, it's intelligent ambience. Number 7. Swing Kit Launch Monitor. The full Swing Kit Launch Monitor is a state-of-the-art training tool designed for golfers who demand accuracy, mobility, and professional-grade performance feedback using advanced Doppler radar technology. It tracks 16 key data points, including carry distance, spin rate, launch angle, and club head speed. Developed in partnership with Tiger Woods, the device is trusted by top professionals and is tailored for serious golfers aiming to elevate their game. Its sleek, compact design includes a built-in display and wireless connectivity, allowing users to view data instantly on their mobile devices. Whether at the driving range or paired with a simulator at home, the full Swing Kit offers unmatched insight and consistency. With robust construction and intuitive controls, it combines convenience with elite-level analytics for next-level improvement. Number 8. Hulala Home Lightness. The Hulala Home Lightness Smart Modular Sofa offers an innovative blend of style and comfort. Designed with easy assembly in mind, this modular sofa provides a versatile seating solution that can be customized to fit any living space. The sofa comes equipped with power recliners, allowing users to effortlessly adjust their seating position. For ultimate relaxation, the sleek design features high-quality materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. The modular nature of the Lightness allows for flexible configurations, perfect for both small apartments and larger living rooms. Whether you're hosting guests or lounging solo, the sofa adapts to your needs with its blend of modern aesthetics, advanced features, and comfort. The Lightness Smart Modular Sofa is an ideal choice for contemporary homes. Number 9. Instax Pal. The Instax Pal is Fujifilm's smallest digital camera, designed to make everyday moments feel big. Its compact, pocket-sized build is perfect for spontaneous shooting, featuring a wide-angle lens that captures more of your scene, ideal for group photos and landscapes. The camera stores up to 50 images internally and supports microSD cards for expanded storage. Using the free Instax Pal smartphone app, you can transfer photos via Bluetooth, apply filters, add stickers, and print in mini, square, or wide formats using Instax Link series printers. The app also enables remote shooting with live view, interval shooting for burst sequences, and the creation of animations from photo sequences. A unique feature is the ability to record up to 5 personalized pre-shutter sounds, adding a fun twist to your photography sessions. The included multi-use detachable ring serves as a viewfinder, stand, or finger grip, enhancing usability. Available in vibrant colors like pistachio green and lavender blue, the Instax Pal is a playful, tech-savvy companion for capturing and sharing life's fleeting moments. Its sparkling water maker brings the joy of crafting fresh, fizzy beverages into your home with a blend of style and simplicity. Its retro-inspired design features a distinctive manual carbonation lever, allowing you to transform plain water into sparkling refreshment at the push of a lever. No batteries or electricity required. Equipped with SodaStream's Quick Connect system, inserting the cylinder is a swift, one-click process. Each 60LCO cylinder can carbonate up to 60 liters of water, offering both convenience and sustainability. The included BPA-free, dishwasher-safe carbonating bottle reduces reliance on single-use plastics. The art is compatible with 1L and 0.5L SodaStream bottles and pairs seamlessly with a variety of SodaStream flavors, including Pepsi and bubbly drops. Recognized with the 2024 Good Housekeeping Sustainability Innovation Award, the SodaStream Art is an eco-friendly, stylish solution for sparkling water enthusiasts. Number 11. Lifespan Ampra. The Lifespan Ampra Power Generating Office Bike is a sleek, eco-conscious solution for professionals seeking movement and productivity in one. Designed to fit seamlessly into modern workspaces, the Ampra converts pedaling energy into usable electricity, featuring a 65 West USB-C charging port and a 15 West wireless charger for powering laptops, phones, and other devices. Its adjustable seat accommodates users between 5 feet 2 and 6'5", ensuring ergonomic comfort. The bike offers for resistance levels, allowing users to tailor workouts while they work. Integrated LED mood lighting enhances aesthetics, while Bluetooth connectivity lets users track performance, such as calories burned and distance traveled, through the Lifespan Fit app. Made with 31% recycled materials, the Ampra promotes sustainability, making it ideal for health-conscious, environmentally aware professionals. Number 12. Makaos Power Bank. The MCHAO's Power Bank is a 10,000 mAh wearable charger designed for active lifestyles. Its standout feature is a 28-inch retractable USB-C cable, keeping charging neat and tangle-free. With a detachable carabiner and paracord loop, it easily clips onto bags, belts, or wrists, making it ideal for travelers, hikers, and commuters. The power bank supports 20 West power delivery, capable of charging an iPhone 15 to 50% in just 30 minutes. An intuitive LED display shows remaining battery life at a glance. Lightweight at approximately 6 ounces, it offers both portability and performance. The Makaos also allows simultaneous charging and recharging, ensuring your devices stay powered throughout the day. Its innovative design and functionality make it a reliable companion for those on the move.